Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the smartwatch with AMOLED display and GPS. Smartwatch they say. And this is the W10 Pro. More information about the options it has. It supports Alipay if you visit countries that support that. Compass, floodlight, GPS positioning, make calls, waterproof, heart rate, even NFC, music, voice assistant, Facebook and Twitter. Glory Fit Pro. Wireless charging, they say. Space aluminum case, 46 millimeters. So this is from CHILEAF. So let's get on and unbox it. So it looks like on the back. On one side, smartwatch, 2 buttons, and then as you move along, there's 2 other buttons, light and GPS. What do they say? Sell, start, and seems to be made of some aluminum on the top and then plastic maybe. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have 2 options in terms of belt, rubber and the leather or leatherette option. And it comes with a charger, the one with the pins. I don't know why it's saying wireless charging. Well, we'll test that as well. And then you have the instructions. So the Glory Fit Pro is the app, and that's how you can connect it. So here's some information about the buttons. Then some information in here about the other buttons. More information about the charging as well. And yeah, as well as some information about the app on the back. Okay, so I've installed the strap as well, so let's just take this off. Oh wow, nice, I like that. That looks really good actually. And let's see if it starts. I think you have to connect the no, it is vibrating. There you have it. Let's see what language is there. Okay, even Spanish. Quite a few languages, I'm impressed. So let's stick to English. And then you have to scan this QR code. It looks like on my hand. And he has always on screen as well. So if he wakes up. And this is the watch face I've selected. It looks really nice actually. The strap is comfortable enough. And I'll quickly go with some features with you. So this is the GPS, actually is activating sports. So when you press it, you have all the sports like outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, swim, in the pool and all that kind of stuff. Dance, loads of sports, and you can add more. And then if you press again, it goes actually press on this, goes out. Then light is quite cool, so he has a light in there. It's quite nice. Look at that, very bright, very useful. Press and hold and it turns itself off eventually. I think you have to press one more time because the screen was on. So then cell, this is, I think this is where you set like feature key or something like that, so you can choose between heart rate, workout, stress, all that kind of stuff. But I won't select now anything. Let's go back. So in terms of one cool thing with type of smart chip watches, you would when you rotate this wheel, it normally goes through these watch faces, which I hate. This one doesn't do it, so it impresses me. If you press on this, sorry, if you go from down up, you access all your activities for the day. You have a music if you're playing, all that kind of stuff, alarms, stopwatch, blah blah. Now if you go to this side, you see your notifications, and then from top down obviously is like your settings. If it's paired with your phone, you can disable the notifications and everything. You can activate the torch. Is it anything else on the side? Yeah, you can add more in there. If you go to settings, you can find all the settings like other watch faces. But for me, I really like the one I've selected now. This one. Then you can go into more settings, like you can change the language, always on display. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an automatic brightness, so you can increase it or decrease it based on how you prefer it. And you have the display duration, wake, raise to wake, all that good stuff. Sounds and vibrations, silent mode, whatever. Themes, this is for the apps, so you can have all this. You can have waterfall. So now if I go back to the main, where was it, in here, so now you have it like that. It's quite cool. Yeah, so let's go back to settings quickly. Password, you can put a password on it, which is good. Time and date, do not disturb. What's that? Sport, recording. I'm sorry, recognition. I guess those are medals and stuff that you get. Bottom key. QR, cover lock. So this is once enabled, you can turn off the display by covering with your palm. Oh, that's quite cool if it has this feature. System menu, restart power off. Yeah. So now one more thing I want to show you quickly. What kind of apps we have in here built in. So you get that where you see all your activities, sports. What's this? And take notes, I guess. Heart rate, blood, whatever. It seems like it's measuring your temperature as well during sleep. Sorry, measuring your sleep. Don't know if it does the temperature as well. Just the sleep. What is this? Barometric, compass. You have to calibrate a bit. That's how I normally calibrate them. Boom. Okay. Music player. I'm not sure what is this. Weather. Messages. Even browsing the internet. No, I think that's something else. You can use your camera on the phone. Takes photos, calculator, stopwatch. That's a nice calculator. I'm not sure what is this. What is that? That's for always on display. And what is this? I don't know. So yeah, I feel like it's full of features. On the back, as you can see, it has like a nice monitoring system, like similar to Samsung, like this spigot in here. And let's just try and measure something. Just quickly measuring my heart rate. See how long it takes. Okay, measuring the blood oxygen. Obviously, guys, these are, informative, kind of like, you can't really rely on these watches to give you a precise and accurate measurement. It does takes a while, but yeah, 97 on this. Let's see the stress levels. There you have it. I kind of like it, guys. It's really good. So yeah, what's not like? It's really nice. Let's see the app a bit. This is the app. Above it shows the battery percentage in the watch. I'm not gonna drag it down because you will see the MAC address and I don't want that. Then you get the watch face market, and I guess you can just get more watch faces from here. Actually, not that many. Oh no, more. So you can get from here. This thing all are dark like that. But yeah, and then SMS reminder, you can enable that smart app health monitoring. So you could do the settings for this. App reminder. So world clock, watch Bluetooth call, quick reply, device settings, clear data, firmware update. Let's see if it is detecting anything. So we're already running the latest version. Sports, you can just see the sport, and you have indoor, outdoor, blah blah. Then this is like your health information, and then back to device. And in here you can log in, but you can use it without creating an account. You can set your units, the time system. At the moment, it doesn't matter how it is, but yeah, the time, units, training schedule, all kind of stuff, system settings. Anyway, so yeah, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.